What's happening, everybody? White Shadow 6.2 here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Now, I also just filmed a video for how to replace your headlights and just how simple it is. And figuring since I already have the grill detached or loosened, I'm like, no, what? I still have yet to do that video that I've been promising about my little, I call them like Raptor lights just because they're little amber lights inside the grill. But these lights here that you can tell. Now, the pack I picked up came with 6. Obviously, only used 5. Now, quick little rundown. You gotta first drill all your holes for the lights to go in. It's kind of funny, I did it backwards. I have my ground up here running all the way to the passenger side of my truck where I grounded it to one of my original grounds on the body. Then my power, I ran from all the way from that side all the way here. See, this red wire runs up and through and inside. And basically where that goes is where your switch for your headlights, fog lights, all that. That's purple wire. You connect into the purple. No, we are not sponsored by Budweiser, but man, do I wish we were. But basically it's as simple as that. Now the connectors I use, what I found on this is that with these lights I bought my Canadian Tire for, I think it was like 20 bucks, maybe 22 bucks after tax for 6 of them. I actually only got one left there. Now they're incredible, honestly. When it's nighttime out and you got those going, damn do they look good. It's very simple, honestly. I just ran it up and through the firewall into the truck, ground over to my ground for my light bar, ground it up to the same ground mount I have there. And the connectors I used, they were kind of like the non-splice connectors. Honestly, I would try to avoid it because they're not they're okay. If you don't have any other tools, they'll work just fine. But if I were to go back and do it again, I would definitely use basically strip the wires, solder, shrink wrap, Bob's your uncle, there you go. But yeah, so that's basically how it looks. And sorry for the camera quality, this is just all I got, but that's how I installed them. Now the holes, if I'm correct, I drilled them out to about 3/8, just big enough to get the rubber through, as you can see. Just big enough to get those through the inside diameter. But other than that, it's pretty simple. It's kind of plug and play again. So it's a simple DIY. All you need to do is basically everything I used for here. I got Canadian Tire. I got my wire, which actually I'll let you guys know exactly what wire I use because I still have it in here. There we go. This wire here is the certified. I don't even know if I can even find the size wire. Oh, there we go. We're over here. Camera won't focus on it because it's low light, but we have 16 gauge wire. I use that for positive and negative. And yeah, so 16 gauge wire, red and black. Your white on these lights are going to be your, what's it called? It's going to be your ground. Black is your power, automotive. And I think those were about 9, or I think I got them at like $6 a little mini roll. And if you're in the States, you're going to find them cheaper. I got a red and a black. Then around 22 after tax for the 6 lights. Those non-splice connectors I think were about $15. or $10 for a 3-pack. You would at least want to get 2 full packs of those. And then you just gotta pick up some just standard connectors. What you can do instead is just wrap a wire or unbolt one of the mounting bolts on your truck that would be a good ground. Twist your wire, twist your wire, bend it so it's underneath the bolt and tighten it back up. And then you just gotta use one of the splice connectors into your headlight switch and make sure you run into your purple wire. And that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I know I didn't go real too in depth with it, and mainly because the camera quality isn't the greatest, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go down and hit that thumbs up button, leave a like, and might as well go down and leave a comment in the comment section. And as always hit that subscribe button. That's the only way we could grow this channel. I want to hopefully get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Yes, I know I gotta put more content out and probably better content, but you know what? I put out content when I can and when I'm not busy. But yeah, so after this video, you're going to end up seeing a video probably within the next couple days about how to swap your headlight bulb out. And yeah, if you're not already, hit up Instagram, check me out at whiteshell6.2. There's a lot of content up on there that gets seen before YouTube by landslide. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Like I said, go hit that thumbs up button, leave a like, leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification be updated when I upload next. And enjoy the rest of your day, guys and girls, and be safe.